welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your NWEA practice test, specifically the practice test. And we're all going to be needing to take this practice test before we take the real thing. So the practice test will look like this. You will find the cover page, just like we always start here. Same place we start with everything. We will go down. Scroll past, read. Okay. Scroll past Zoom, mandatory assignments, reading, student extra learning apps. Information is where this will be found. And there's a chance, well, definitely for next week, we'll be putting the NWEA test towards the top so you guys can see it. But we're not going to be using that one today. We're not going to be using NWEA test today. Instead, because we're not taking the real one yet, we're going to be taking the practice NWEA. So you're going to click the practice NWEA. Now, common problem, very important to remember. If you have an issue where it says, oops, where's my testing window? Okay, that is because for one reason or another, you covered up the testing window with another window, which means all you have to do is move your window out of the way or click on Chrome underneath to bring it back up. So the username for everyone for the practice test is simply going to be GROW, GROW, GROW. The password is the same, GROW, GROW. Which point you will click the blue button. You will select your grade, grade 3. You are going to do at one point or another both the math K-12 and the reading. You do not need to take language usage or science K-12. So let's start with the math today. Okay. Okay, you are not going to need any of these. You can select this for math. Click the blue button. And away we go. Here's the practice test. The practice test will allow you to take questions that are the exact same type of questions that will be on the real test. It has all the tools that you can use on the test, such as that. You can do this. Okay, you can zoom in using this tool here. Zoom out. Okay. You can erase things. You can draw, highlight words, erase those highlights. Okay. You can have this reader bar that helps you to read and focus on what you're reading. You can have a notepad, etc. Okay. It also helps you. This tool allows you to exit out ones that you don't want to use right here. Right. If I can get rid of all this. For example. So, and then you will hit the next question here, and you can do all the questions on the practice test. So that is how the practice test will work. We will do a different video that teaches you how to do the real test, but for today we are just looking at the practice test. So one more time, you're going to find practice NWEA, you're going to click it, you're going to type grow, you're going to fill out 3rd grade math or reading, whichever one you want to practice, and when you're done, you can exit the test. Okay. All right, everybody. That is how to access your practice NWEA.